The lush green 170 acres campus of Delhi Technological University welcomes you all. A premier engineering institution of Delhi, formerly known as Delhi College of Engineering, is a multi-faculty institution of engineering and management. It has mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, environmental engineering, civil engineering, computer science engineering, information technology, applied physics, applied chemistry, applied mathematics, biotechnology, humanities, Delhi School of Management, University School of Management and Entrepreneurship at East Delhi campus. The latest is Department of Design. And with all this, the 65 student societies wait for you to broaden your horizon with a student strength of more than 10,000.
In this premier technological institute of India has certainly prepared them for personal and professional excellence.
आज के बाद आप जहां भी रहेंगे, ये पहचान आपसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता कि आप DTU से हैं.
The institution has produced famous professors and eminent engineers.
हमें एक कोलैबोरेटिव एनवायरनमेंट मिलेगा जब हम यहाँ से निकलेंगे.
My congratulations to the students.
जेई क्रॉस करने वाले 90% लाने वाले जब सारे एक छत के नीचे बैठते हैं तो कैसे दिखते हैं? बहुत अच्छे दिख रहे हो बेटा. I am really proud of you.
DTU is one of the best institutes in the country.
The DTU is a teaching and research university and we want to promote research. My request to all teachers, every teacher should have a project. If apply to the outside funding agencies, associate with the industry, associate with some organizations, but you should have a project. Up to 5 lakh rupees DTU will fund, and initially Board of Management has allocated an amount of rupees 1 crore. We have introduced research track. After second year of your engineering, this is also applicable to masters also. Like from the very beginning, you can take a research track where you can decide a problem, do it. Our expectation is what? You should be able to publish a paper in the 2 years, third year and final year. And then the product track and entrepreneurship track. All 3 tracks are available. We have, as you know, we have a Section 8 company, DTU Innovation and Incubation Foundation, where if you have an idea, you want to experiment, we are here to support you. 24 companies are working in our incubator. One of our incubating company, they have got a funding from US $1 lakh funding. It means about 75 lakh rupees. They have got a funding. It's a good thing. किसी को न हो सका उसके कद का अंदाजा, वो आसमां था मगर सिर झुका के चलता था. और दिल्ली की सरकार ने इसी में चलते हुए आप सबको बहुत खुशी होगी जान के कि 292 करोड़ रुपीस के प्रोजेक्ट सैंक्शन किए हैं DTU के लिए, जिसमें 2 एकेडमिक ब्लॉक और 3 हॉस्टल्स बनेंगे और अगले 1.5 साल के अंदर हमारे पास ये फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल होगी.
Delhi Technological University has excellent facilities and technical support. It has well-equipped library, central workshop, computer center, medical center, sports facilities, gymnasium and 2 open gyms, boys and girls hostels, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Auditorium. DTU is a zero discharge campus. We have sewage treatment plant, and in that we have a capacity of 1 million liter per day. Then we have solar power plant of capacity of 432 kWp.
DTU जैसे संस्थान में जहाँ की इतने इंटेलिजेंट पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, वो जॉब को क्रिएट करें दूसरों के लिए और अपने लिए, वो एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. प्रमोद हक हमारे एलुमनस हैं, उन्होंने करीब 1,60,000 लोगों को जॉब दिया है. आपके आपके पड़ोस में राजस्वन साहब बैठे हैं, करीब 50,000 लोगों को इन्होंने दिया है। एक विनोद कृष्ण खन्ना है, उन्होंने भी थाउजेंड्स के करीब लोगों को दिया। पेटीएम से विजय शेखर शर्मा जिन्होंने 13,000 लोगों को जॉब दिया है। अम्बरीश मूर्ति पेपर फ्राई से 1150, नरेश वर्मा जी ने भी कई थाउजेंड लोगों को दिया है। आरपी सिंह साहब ने 20,000 लोगों को, देवेंद्र पाल गर्ग साहब इंडो काउंट इंडस्ट्री 1250, और प्रोफेसर योगी गोस्वामी मॉलिक्यूल कंपनी जो कि बैठे भी हैं यहाँ पे, एयर प्योरीफायर बनाती है, करीब 1250 लोग काम करते हैं। बलजीत सिंह नंदा साहब ने दिया है करीब 1,000 से ऊपर लोगों को। यानी बहुत सारे ऐसे लिस्ट और बनती चली जाएगी। हमने बनानी शुरू की है। आपने जो नैरेटिव चेंज किया हमारा, अब हम भी नहीं कह रहे कि हम पैकेज कितने दे रहे हैं, अगली बार और ज़्यादा डेटा के साथ आपको देंगे। अभी ये तो पुराना डेटा है, ये अब नया भी क्रिएट करेंगे, जिससे कि जो इकोसिस्टम है, जिसकी सब बात कर रहे हैं कि राइट काइंड ऑफ इकोसिस्टम एक डेवलप हो, जिसके कारण से हम DTU में एक ऐसी चीज़ कर पाएँ जो हमें करनी चाहिए। क्योंकि हमारा जब विजन हम कहते हैं टू बी अ वर्ल्ड क्लास यूनिवर्सिटी थ्रू इनोवेशन इंक्यूबेशन फॉर द सर्विस ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी, तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी बात है। और अभी इंटरनेशनलाइजेशन भी DTU का हुआ। आपको सबको खुशी होगी जान के कि आज हमारे पास 205 इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो 35 कंट्रीज से आते हैं। और DTU में कल्चरल फेस्टिवल्स भी बहुत होते हैं। आप जो पढ़ते होंगे उसका नाम कुछ और होगा, पिछले बहुत सालों से NG Fest है।
NG Fest is one of the biggest festivals of the North.
आपको हैरानी होगी कि 2016 में जो पार्टिसिपेट किया, अटेंड किया NG Fest को, 50,000 स्टूडेंट्स ने किया। 17 में 60,000 ने किया, पिछले साल 75,000 ने किया। पूरा रोहिणी के आगे तक जाम हो गया। और इस साल हमारा टारगेट है, और जो इसको देखती हैं डॉक्टर इंदु और अनूप लाठर जी, वो मुझे कहते हैं कि हमारा टारगेट है इस बार 1 लाख इसको लेके जाएंगे और 1 करोड़ की डोनेशन लेकर आ रहे हैं उसके लिए, चलाने के लिए। बहुत अच्छी और खुशी की बात है।
Since 2017, 3 more festivals have been started. Notably Ahwan, Yuvan and Invictus. Yuvan represents the literary aspects and is prominently the Lit and the Film Fest of Delhi. Invictus is the Techno Fest of Delhi Technological University.
I think where I am today happened because of Delhi College of Engineering. I learnt a whole lot from here. I learnt so many things here, so much camaraderie, learnt from the fellow students and learnt from the professors, and outside the classroom, inside the classroom, and participated in sports. We could do anything we wanted to do, and it was a lot of fun.
यहाँ का सफ़र जो था कॉलेज का बहुत अच्छा था. There people were very much interested.
DTU has produced eminent, excellent alumni, excellent teachers, excellent infrastructure, and that's why this is an institution which has name, fame, and it is contributing for the welfare of society.
That's the best part, where science and technology faculty and students are doing activities, research, which are taking help from each other or collaborating with each other. And on top of it, we are having students team, innovation teams, where students are there from almost all the branches. Suppose there is a team for any vehicle or electronics area or unmanned aerial vehicle or something. So they are having the team of material science also, they are having physics students also, mathematics students also, mechanical engineering students.
So we have all the in-house facilities for different kind of research purposes. Like these are the Jetrofa seeds here. We have tons of Jetrofa seeds present with us, and these are then used in that machinery for the manufacturing purposes. This is one of the largest in-house biodiesel manufacturing units in North India.
DTU Studio is the official studio of Delhi Technological University. Here in this studio, all the recordings of Delhi Technological University are done by the DTU Studio, and then they are edited and utilized for the various purposes. The documentaries or whatever recordings which are made are uploaded on the YouTube channel, that is DTU Studio 2016. A link for that has been provided on the university website as well. There are 3 programs which are recorded, like one is, for example, the Rubru, the second one is Samvad, and the third program is whatever programs which are recorded, all those categories, lectures, series, they are also uploaded on the YouTube channel.
My first visit to Delhi Technological University, I'm already impressed.
And this kind of facility would provide a wonderful opportunity for teaching courses in this area across the globe.
In today's episode of Rubru, I bring you face to face with Mr. S.K. Chaudhary. He is the chairman and managing director of Ircon International Limited. It's a great journey from 1941 to today.
Today I feel very happy that I am here. It's always a pride in terms of the alumnus.
Our alumni have done quite well. Our education is fantastic.
That really prepares a student from DC/DTU to come out as more of a well-rounded.
मुझे लगता है कि इंसान जब अपने माइंड को सेट कर लेता है, एक गोल सेट कर लेता है और उसके ऊपर जब एक डिवोशन से और डेडिकेशन से चलता है, तो मेरे ख्याल से दुनिया में ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो आप नहीं हासिल कर सकते।
बहुत good. You start learning when you are a child. You can easily spot when the mother is, rebuking you, or when she is loving you. The child understands from that time.
Networking is the key mantra that connects everyone in the world.
Gyan is such a wonderful concept.
So we first go to the individual phases. Every technology should evolve for that direction only. Zero hunger.
Their results were used in order to obtain asymptotic formula for inverse.
And what we really need is a model where we can combine those two things together into a single set of equations.
All of us who graduated from BCE really walking through this campus can appreciate how much our university has changed and really how beautiful the campus today looks like, and really makes us proud to see the progress of our alma mater.
This is the Delhi School of Management, and since अभी थोड़ा नया ही है डिपार्टमेंट, बट उस हिसाब से the infrastructure which we get and the faculty जिस हिसाब से वो हमें पढ़ाते हैं, that is totally up to the DTU standards. The kind of faculty which we have and the kind of infrastructure which we get, and the faculty इतने हेल्पफुल हैं कि हम रात के 5 बजे 6 बजे 9 बजे तक भी आकर उनसे अगर कोई डाउट्स क्लियर कर रहे हैं, so they are totally helpful, and I really like this college and campus. As you can see, location तो वैसे ही बहुत अच्छी है campus की हमारी.
In 2017, Delhi Technological University took another step forward, and in East Delhi campus was developed as University School of Management and Entrepreneurship.
With over 500 students and growing, there is a vibrant social and community life on the campus, and the festivals have attracted an equal number of participants from all of the major business schools in India.